Hello all, welcome back. This is Ram Prakash Doraisamy. So in this day 4, we are going to see a session for validating form fields using JavaScript. So consider, I'm just explaining a simple scenario here. So consider there are two date field available. So I need to validate the two fields and I need to display an error that, for example, the source date is greater than destination date or something like that. We are going to do it today. So, welcome back. This is of day 4 in 50 days Dataverse or Microsoft Dynamics CRM JavaScript challenge. So, I'll open my Dataverse environment. I'll go to my solution. I'll open the 50-day challenge solution. I'll expand my table. I'll expand my table again. I'll click on column. So, we'll create two columns here. So, as I said, I'll just use the same name as I said here. So, I'll say source date, put a date and date only. I'll click on save. Let's wait. Okay, I'll click on another then. I'll say destination date. Say date. I'll click on date only. So now whatever which I'm just showing is for session purpose, like how to validate and what are the validations is available because there are n number of validations available. Like you can't, you should not do a comma in one of the text field or a lookup filter is there. Then the number field validation is there. So there are a lot of validations is there. But due to time constraints and due to the videos, I'm just tricking a simple session of how we can achieve that one. If you have any queries related to that one, I think you can directly reach me out on LinkedIn or in the YouTube chat after this video. I am ready to help you out there. So I'll just go to my add the field which I have created, which is of source date and which is of destination date here. Yeah, I'll save and publish this. Now within the meantime, I'll go to my make.powerapps.com. I'll go to my app. I'll run the app which I have already done. I'll make sure that these fields are available inside the form because last time I think we did not see that fields available over there. Okay, I can able to see the date field, so I can just directly select two fields. Okay, so I'll just save this one. So consider we are going to validate this date should not be greater than this date. A simple one. Okay, so for that I'll just open my Visual Studio. I'll write a simple function called function validate date field. I'll say execution context. I'll copy paste the same line which is available here, and after that I need to make sure that both fields should not be empty. So for that, as I said, I'll just go to my logical name of that field. I'll expand my table. I'll click on columns, source date. Okay, there is a destination date available. So I'll take the logical name of this field and I'll say if form context dot get attribute of double quotes of the state dot get value not equal to null, and I need to validate for my another field as well. I'll just paste this one. I'll go to my CRM system, sorry, Dataverse system. I'll open my source state. I'll copy the source state. I'll just paste it out here. Now we need to simply do a validation here. What is that validation? The same way, if destination date is less than the source date. I need to throw an alert stating, okay, so stating I need to pass a text that destination date should be greater. That's it, date alert. Okay, I'll just save this one now. Now what I'll do, I'll go to the environment, I'll go to web resource, I'll click on the web resource, I'll edit this one, I'll choose the file, I'll select the JS file, I'll click on save. Now I'll publish this one. The publish is done. I'll go to my table, I'll go to my column, sorry, I'll go to forms, I'll open the form, I'll click on this one, I'll go to the events, I'll click on event handler. So what I'll do, I'll go to my Visual Studio, I'll copy this validate date field, pass this one, and I'm just saying pass execution context as well. Click on destination field, I'll go to event, and I'll pass the same one because I need to validate. For example, if user passed inputted the source field first, sorry, destination field first, and then in the source field. So at that time also I want to validate that one. So for that purpose, I'm done this type of changes here. So I made a hot refresh here. I'll open my F12 and I'll make sure that the function which I have written is available there or not. Okay, so this is perfectly available. So I'll run this one. For example, if I put 17, then JavaScript gets triggered. So it is validating whether both the values are available or not. It is available, so it will go inside this one, and it is lesser, so it is directly throwing an alert here. Like destination date should be greater. Then what I'll do, I'll directly put 20, it won't throw an alert here. Suppose if I just say 21 here, the same alert will automatically get populated. So that's it. It's a simple form validation which I have done it for two feeds. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please drop me a comment if you have any queries and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.